Hi and welcome to my first vlog. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Yunil, two-time Guinness Book of World Record participant, a health enthusiast, a multi-award athlete, and a young entrepreneur. So when you subscribe to our channel, you are going to learn about health, wealth, become more productive, and how to achieve the best version of yourself. And also in my next video, I'm going to feature the Guinness Book of World Records that you can join yourself. So have you ever wanted to become a Guinness Book of World Record but don't know what to do, when to start, and what record to break? Don't worry, I got you, because in today's vlog I am going to feature the easiest way on how I and you can become a Guinness Book of World Record holder. So a little trivia about Guinness Book of World Record. As of 2022, Guinness Book of World Records has a total of 53,000 world records, and they are still doing their best to feature as much as possible. So last 2021, I received 2 Guinness Book of World Records. First is the most viewers of a bingo live streaming on a best spoken platform, and this world record was organized by TELEVADA USA. Second is the most users of a remote 10 km in under 24 hours, and this world record is organized by Virtual Runners Germany. So you might be wondering, how did I achieve my Guinness Book of World Records? And how can you achieve yours? Step number 1. Search for Guinness Book of World Record through online. Last 2021, that is what I actually did. I searched online about the Guinness Book of World Records that I can join, and I found the biggest bingo played virtual and the most users to complete a remote 10 km in under 24 hours. Step number 2. Sign up or register in your chosen event. Because after you are done signing up, you're going to get an email about the schedule, the date, and the time, and also the verification code of your chosen Guinness Book of World Record participation. Step number 3. Join the event. After you register or sign up in the World Record event, you are going to get a verification, just like I said, the schedule, the time, and the date, and what to do during the event, during the World Record event. And after the event, be patient, because the Guinness Book of World Record is still going to finalize and the World Record event if it was approved or rejected. So after the event, you need to at least wait for about a week before you know the result, because the Guinness Book of World Record is still going to finalize the event if ever your Guinness Book of World Record was being approved or it was being disqualified. If ever it was being approved, congratulations for being a world record holder, and you can claim your Guinness Book of World Records certificate of participation at the Guinness Book of World Records store. But take note, the Guinness Book of World Records certificate of participation is not for free. It costs for about £20 or $20. So it's like $20. Let's say it's $20 times 50 equals like 1,000 pesos. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, and hit the like button, because in my next video I'm going to feature what are the Guinness Book of World Records that you can participate in.